All right, welcome to day 6 of the Brotographers Collective. We are not going to be filming the final shot today because I realized that the van has a large entry point, but my car windows are not very big. So before I actually try to do this, I figured I should probably practice a little bit and make sure that my drone will actually make it through here. It's not that big. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it or if I'm going to have to adjust the final shot. We're gonna give it a go and see how it flows. Yes, just did a rhyme. I'm not a rapper, but today I'll pretend to be. Second note, doesn't that look awesome? That looks amazing back there. Awesome, it worked. So I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready for tomorrow. We may or may not have actors in the shot tomorrow, but I'm ready. Are you? That's the end of day 6. We'll see you tomorrow.